How are you? Welcome to my kitchen. I am doing a Walmart haul. So we had some good clearance items. Even though this total was $98.50, we still prepped, got some clearance items, and I needed a few things, in the kitchen for some other videos I got going on. So I am always hot and sweaty. But get used to it, because I don't wear makeup. I did do a wash and go my hair for y'all though on Sunday, so we trying to, let it fly free, because it's too hot for too much going on up here. So bear with me. I don't know why I keep sweating under these lights, but got my ice water. Let me get a sip and we'll get started. Okay, so I did $98.60, and I did buy some taxable items, so $2.78 of that was taxed, because I have a few items like that are not food. Okay, so these were $3 each. But Ibotta gave me back $3. So I ended up getting a total of $5.77 back on Ibotta. So I bought the cheddar and the 4 cheese and herb. These were $3 a piece, but Ibotta gave me $3 back as a BOGO. I need the flour tortillas for something I got planned. So I bought the little pack. It's like, 10 in the pack? And if I'd have grabbed a pack of 20, even though it felt like way more than 20, it was twice the price. But I just needed this to show y'all something. This is another chipotle peppers. Also, let me go over the prices. These flour tortillas were $1.48. The chipotle peppers were $1.34, which hurt my feelings, because I can get these from the salvage place. They might have expired last month, but it doesn't matter, for 50 cents. So check out my salvage video. I'll link it above, but I can get these from salvage for 50 cents, but they have them at $1.34 at Walmart. So check out that video. I got my markdown meat. It was $4.30, 94 cents off. And it's, a pound of ground beef. So anytime I see yellow tag for a reasonable price, I go ahead and grab it. I got the Halo Top ice cream. It was $4.98. But Ibotta gave me half the money back. And I need to make sure they did that. But yeah, so they gave me like $2.48 back. So that was, I like ice cream, and that was part of the reason I bought it, because I got my money back. I like the Hello Top. I got some cilantro for the other video I'm doing for you. This was 88 cents, but let me make sure, we know that they change up these prices. Let's see, cilantro. Okay, so that was correct, 88 cents. We also got, there's another piece of cilantro. We also got the Checkers fries. So the Checkers fries, the big bag, my son will eat this every day if I let him. And I like them too. I love some good crispy Checkers fries in the air fryer with some ketchup. Love it. So that was way more than I thought it was going to be. It was, for the 3-pound bag, $5.78. Because I saw something on the tag said on the shelf tag said 3 something, but I didn't zoom in. So I'm gonna just take it like it is. So this is so I harvested some green tomatoes this week. And I bought some buttermilk. Now I use Paula Dean's recipe for fried green tomatoes. And I make that sauce. Oh, that onion relish is so good. But if you want me to cook it on camera, comment below. I might cook it and do a video. But this is the buttermilk is for that. Now, in the event you didn't have buttermilk, you got your shelf-stable milk, put a drop of vinegar. Everybody pretty much know that. Put a little bit of vinegar, like a teaspoon of vinegar in regular milk, and it turns into buttermilk. Let it sit about 20 minutes. But I just bought the regular buttermilk this time. So, they had some other clearance deals. They had this scrubby mitt for $1.51. I'm about to wash dishes, so I'm probably going to use that. They had Turner. This was $1.84, regular $3.47. So I kind of try to switch these out when that starts melting because I don't want it in my food. So I have this. They had this big spoon for 87 cents, regular $3.47. So I grabbed one of those. And they had this spatula, because I like multiple spatulas. I might have more than one thing going on, for $1.20, regular $3.88. So, and those rang up correctly as far as I know, because I had to stop on one of them so she could fix it. So, got those. And I meant to look, but oh well. So, another clearance item. Starbucks gift sets. They still had a Christmas gift sets. They had Valentine's clearance out with some socks and stuff. I was like, I ain't even taking a picture. And they was like 75-cent socks. Who paying 75 cents for one pair of socks these days? Not me. So that wasn't even worth showing. But in here this is the cold brew cup, which I've been looking for a good cold brew cup with the lid, the straw, and a cold brew in it. They had other sets. It was regular $13.98, and it was on sale for $8. They had one that was $19.99 that was on sale for $10. So look for your Starbucks sets. Check the prices. If you have a need for one of these, go ahead and pick those up this week in your Walmart because they may be on clearance. So the roast beef. I'm going to share some things about this in my next video, so that's part of all this. It tastes good. It tastes good. I know how to make it taste good. But this 3.5 servings is a lie. But I did go ahead and buy the last 4 cans that were on the shelf. 4 cans of this. But they were $3.74. Now, I could have swore, hold one second, let me check if I can find that receipt from last week. Please, please, please. I found it. Where in love? I meant to look before I started filming. Okay, so they're $3.74 and they were $3.74 last week. So they're still the same price. However, my store had no more. I bought the last 4. So this is a good I still stand by. These are good prepping supplies to keep in if you're not canning your own meat. This is a good option. And if you eat meat. So then, since those were out, it was more of these. So I bought 2 of these, and they were $4.16. So I bought more of these. I bought 2. So we'll give those a try. It is what it is. So I bought 4 packs of pasta. I bought 2 spaghettis, 1 angel hair, and 1 linguine, and they were 92 cents a piece. I didn't go with the big box this time because it's just 2 of us, and I don't want open boxes sitting around. So I just said I'll just do the 92 cents, and based on the price change when I got to the register, it's about the same. So what I do with this is because I have a garden. Spaghetti salad. Get you some Olive Garden dressing, your little tomatoes, your cucumbers, bell pepper, red onion, and some seasonings. Boil this spaghetti, make that spaghetti salad, and I love it. I ate it all because my son don't eat. The cameraman does not eat tomatoes, but I do, and he was just out of gas on that one. But I ate it, I loved it, and I want to make it again. So, I also bought this chili, no beans, because I figured the protein content would be a little bit more. I didn't look, but it's 14 grams of protein, 2 servings in these cans. So, chili, no beans. And that was $1.42 each. So I grabbed 2 cans of that for the prepper pantry. I also grabbed the Bush's Sidekick. Ibotta was supposed to give me 15% back on each one. I think they only gave me the one 15 cents. But these are good to have to round out a meal on Taco Tuesday. So I got the Southwest Zest and the Taco Fiesta. Put that with some Spanish rice and cook your little tacos, and you got a full meal, 2 tacos a piece, and your side dishes, you full. So, another clearance item for the garden, folks. I got 2 of these grow lights. I took one out to test it, and I'm looking for an outlet. I have an outlet over there. The grow light, 24-inch. Regular $12.97 and on sale for $6.36. So I bought 2 of these 24-inch grow lights. They come with the bulb in them, which attracted me. That was like the deal of a century because the bulbs can be expensive. So I bought 2. There's the second one. Here's the first one. And I took one out the box. I say, let me test them still. Even though they're on clearance, you can take them back if they don't work. But let me plug one in for you real quick so you can see how this works. There's the grow light. It's in colors. It's purple and blue. So it's purple and blue. Look like a lightsaber from Star Wars. But yeah, so for $6.36, this is a good prepping supply. Let me tell you why. Something hit the fan to where we can't go outside. You can still grow lettuce, kale, all your greens. And if you want to hand pollinate, you might even get some tomatoes and squash if you need to. Indoors. That's what the grow lights are for. So I also have a Harbor Freight video where you can buy bigger scale grow lights for like $17, but you got to buy the bulbs for those. They were cheap. They weren't even $17, I don't think. But you got to buy the bulb for those. So these already have the bulb. They also have bulbs on clearance. If you already have lights, you might want to make sure you have backup bulbs for those lights. So that is a good prepping supply. And then here's the last. I've been waiting to taste these that I just broke down and bought the 12-pack. The Immune Support Lipton Green Tea. And it is pineapple mango flavor. So I just really wanted to taste these. So I broke down, paid the $5 and what it was, $5.98, because I really wanted to taste it. I've been waiting, trying to find the big bottles that normally run $2, and they have an Ibotta rebate. Can't find them anywhere. I gave up, threw in the towel. I say I want to taste it, so I'll pay for it. This still rounds out to about 50 cents a bottle, so it is what it is. So that is my haul for today. $98.60 with a $5.77 rebate on Ibotta and a 25-point rebate. Actually, it was 85-point rebate for this tea on Fetch Rewards. So I do hope you like this video. My next video is going to involve some of this stuff. So please come back, like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell so you can see when I post. And I think it's going to be a pretty funny one, and you will enjoy it. So I do hope to see you on watching the next video. And I do thank you for watching this video. And I thank you for your continued support. And please prepare, and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. You got to grow your own food. Look at this. I'm going to show you this harvest. This is what I've been picking this week. Some of it I picked today. Big old cucumbers, some carrots, all of that. Green tomatoes that are going to get fried up. And some peppers, all kinds of peppers in there. So you see what you can do too. You can grow your food. So go ahead, plant a seed today. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm out. See you next time. Bye-bye.